If your garden paths are looking more like jungle trails, it's time to tackle those overgrown plants messing with your visibility and safety. Alright, so first off, grab some gloves and a good pair of pruning shears because trimming back plants near your walkways is key. You want to cut stuff back enough so you can see where you're stepping, especially if you have kids or older folks around. Don't just hack wildly though. Trim selectively to keep the plants healthy and looking nice. It's smart to do this trimming every few weeks during growing seasons, because plants can get out of control fast. Also, watch out for any thorny bushes or vines that might snag clothes or skin. That's a quick safety fix. After trimming, clear away all the clippings so they don't become slippery hazards. If you notice any plants growing through cracks in the path, yank them out or use a natural weed killer to stop damage. Lastly, keep your paths well lit at night to help make up for any spots where plants still block sightlines. One of the biggest mistakes people make with overgrown plants near paths is waiting too long to trim, which can lead to tripping hazards and poor visibility. To fix it by setting a regular trimming schedule. Another common issue is cutting too much at once, which stresses the plants and leaves your walkway looking messy. So trim a little at a time and shape carefully. The third problem is ignoring debris left on the path after pruning, which can cause slips and falls. Always sweep or rake up after trimming to keep the area safe and clean. These fixes will keep your walkways both safe and inviting, without stressing out your garden. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome if you need a hand-finding reliable local contractors who know how to handle yard work and plant maintenance right. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a cool way to connect with homeowners looking for pros to get their projects done right.